Nothing in this video contains financial advice. Please do your own research. And let's go Solordi, baby.
Woo! Boys and girls, are you ready for another video? Welcome back to Common Sense Crypto. I am your host, Brandon Cerna. Welcome to the only facts and charts. That's it. That's all we're going to talk about. Now, full disclosure, not financial advice. You guys should do your own research. And I am an investor in this project. So yes, I'm shilling my bags, but we're just going to talk about the facts, okay? Just the facts in the charts and what's happening. So check this out. Here we go. So looking at the exponential moving averages, you'll be able to know when price is going to possibly go up and go down, but also another huge factor is the Fibonacci retracement level. What is that? Well, if you're not familiar, Fibonacci numbers, it's just a mathematical equation of specific numbers. The Fibonacci numbers are found in life, whether it's on a chart of gold, a chart of Bitcoin, a chart of Tesla stock, or it's found in perhaps the size of a thunderstorm, the size of a hurricane, how large the swirls are on a snail's shell. It's all over the world, and it's found here in our beloved Solordi chart. And I'm going to tell you why. So we look at the price action of what we currently see here, right? So we have this price action. I'm going to blow up the screen for you guys. So we had this initial run up, and if you guys were here, shout out to you if you were here at this original time. To do the Fibonacci sequence, you start with a high, and from that high, you go to the next cycle low. So from the cycle high to the cycle low. And these are all Fibonacci numbers, the 0.236, the 0.382, the 0.5, technically not, but it's there, the 0.618, 0.78, and then it goes and continues rising. So was the Fibonacci retracement able to predict where the next cycle top could be? Well, let's find out. What was the price that it said it might be at? Well, here we go. 2.16 and another resistance level at 3.6 million market cap. What happened? Well, let's scroll to the right and see how we played out. Would you look at that? There's our cycle high. This was our cycle high. And where did it stop at? Well, if you look at the top left of your screen, you'll see the letter H, 0.0035. So we got right up to this level, just below the 0.003 on the Fibonacci retracement, and we had resistance. And then where do we find support? We found support right in between here, just after the 618. We came down, we had our final resistance call at the 0.618, and then we fell in price. And you see how it stops very close to these lines, and then we fall again. Now, so did it predict? Well, yeah, it did. We got in price past this 5 level, past the 1.6 to 2.6, and then we almost got into the purple. Okay, so what happened on the next cycle? Well, let's find out. Let's zoom in and let's look at the charts. So we took what again? How do we do it? We take our cycle high over here to our cycle low, which was right here. Excuse me. It was actually here, but I projected it out this way. It doesn't matter. If you go left or right, so if you go up or down, that changes the charts. And what was the Fibonacci sequence saying? From our cycle high to the bottom, based on the Fibonacci retracement, what would the next potential highs be? Well, we would have, once we got past our all-time high, which is right at this level, if you see it here on 3.5, we broke that, and then you look left, and there's nothing over here to slow us down anymore. right? The reason why we had to consolidate here is because of all this price action on top holding us down. But once we got above, you look left, it shot way up. Same thing here. We had to consolidate in this red level, okay, for some time, hit a bottom, and then we come storming up. We break the all-time high, look left, there's nothing here. We shoot way up. And where do we shoot, guys? Wow. We closed right below the, as you see here, the 0.008. And then we even, look at this giant, massive wick up to our high of 15.7. Only lasted about an hour or so. But it was amazing. And we passed way past this line. So before we were stopped around this level on our previous high, and now we're going past the red. We're going past that final mark. So did the Fibonacci sequence predict the next cycle high? Yes, it did. Again, we broke the highs, shot way up. You guys hear that siren? Because some serious people are making some serious money right now. Sorry, that's actually probably something bad happening. But here's the point. Back to the charts. Guys, listen. It predicted this massive point up here. And look at it. Guys, incredible. Incredible stuff is happening on Solority. But what do the charts say, guys? We're just looking at the facts. We tested here, got down, shot way up. Fall in this red category again. Anything in here is a beautiful buy opportunity. You know, guys, if you try to sell when you're scared and then you buy when you feel confident, if you only feel confident or scared because of price, then you're not doing it right. And you're never going to make the money that you hear your friend make, or make the money that, you want to make, because you can't do what the majority are doing. You have to go against the grain, right? So what is our price prediction now? Well, what do you think? How high can we go? Let's find out. So if we look at our chart here, again, I went to the exact cycle top to the exact market bottom right now, way down here, right there. We almost got lower here today, but we didn't. Beautiful things. We touched down. What's going to happen? Well, if we expand this to go sideways, you see it a little better, don't you? You like that, huh? Well, let's just expand it out, get it real close, and boom, something like that, okay? So this is now a rough bottom. This is our exact top. What realistically can we have? In our previous times, once we got above our all-time high, we then shoot up where? We shoot up past this blue, and we usually will get resistance for a moment here. So around 33 million. But if we do anything like we did in our last cycle, we're going to go past that line, past the purple, and up possibly here. So listen, my sell opportunity is going to be around anywhere between 33 and above, but we could very well get up to the 65 million range. And you might think that's impossible, but guys, it already happened. Again, look at the facts in the charts. We went up here, boom, and look how high it went. Boom, above. Go back here. Guys, we had our Fibonacci sequence. Once we got above, boom, we skyrocketed. But on a grand scale, guys, look at how small the chart really looks. This was such a big deal back here when it happened. Oh man, we're at 700,000 market cap. Oh my God. Whoa. And then we did it again. And we're like, wow, look at how big this looks compared to this little guy. Yeah. And then this. Now look at how huge this looks compared to that. So guys, what's the pattern teaching us? The next cycle top, most likely, get my little paintbrush out, will consolidate in this level for some time, get above, And once we get above the all-time high, it is a straight shot up to this general area. So anywhere in this price range is a sell. Mine particularly around here. Don't ever feel bad for taking profits. Always enjoy them because the amount of people that make money in crypto is very small. And the amount of people that make a ton of money in crypto is even smaller. So what should you be doing now? Well, what do you think? This is not financial advice, but I hope you enjoyed some common sense from Common Sense Crypto.
And if you like Chihuahuas, please do not forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you.